Hello, and welcome to our fire-breathing dragon craft. My name is Brian Diaz, and I am a My Brother's Keeper peer advocate with LA County Library. Today, I would like to show you how to make your very own fire-breathing dragon using just some simple materials. This craft activity is so much fun and easy to assemble. Now, let's get started. The materials you'll need for this program will be 1 paper roll, construction paper, 4 pom-poms, 2 bigger than the other, 2 googly eyes, glue sticks, tissue paper, and scissors. Now let's begin with our base of our dragon. Take the paper roll, construction paper, and our pair of scissors. Roll the construction paper all around the paper roll and cut the exact length of the roll. Next, take the glue sticks and spread glue on both ends of the construction paper so that the construction paper stays on the paper roll. Hold on the paper roll firm and let the glue dry for a minute. After, grab our 2 bigger sets of pom-poms and our googly eyes. Then, glue up the back end of the googly eyes to the 2 pom-poms. Once that is glued on, use the glue to attach the dragon's eyes to the one end of the paper roll. Then, grab our remaining set of pom-poms and glue them near the opposite end of the paper roll, making the dragon's nose. Now let's make our flames for our fire-breathing dragon. Grab some orange, red, or yellow tissue paper and cut long pointy strips up like this. Once that is done, take our glue stick and carefully place some on the one end of the strip, and then glue them inside the paper roll where the nose is. Do the same process all around the end of the paper roll. Wow, look at that dragon. All that's left to do is make our dragon breathe fire. Take a deep breath, put your mouth on the end of the paper roll, and blow. Did you know that the dragon's tooth was believed to be good luck? Amazing, right? And in Greek mythology, it was said that if you planted them, they would grow to fully armed warriors called Spartoi. Spartoi are said to be undead warriors casting a skeleton body with armor. Would you like to learn more interesting facts about dragons? Well, if you visit our LA County Library website, you will find LA County Library's online resources, such as OverDrive that offers various ebooks. Some of the books I recommend are Dragon's Mythical Creatures by Mary Pop Osborne and National Geographic Kid Readers Real Dragons by Jennifer Shumisky. We hope you enjoyed our fire-breathing dragon craft. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.